Hi everyone, so we're in Ayutthaya. We're getting ready to leave now. We stayed at Elephant Stay, an amazing place, amazing people, amazing animals, the experience. Look at some of our videos on the elephants and everything that goes on there. You won't be sorry you watched them. But we're at the train station. We're going to Chiang Mai for our next adventure.
We're Jack and Darlene, living an amazing life.
Join us as we embark on exciting travels and adventures exploring breathtaking destinations.
Together, we'll create unforgettable memories, embrace new cultures, and share the joy of living an amazing life.
This is the train station. It's not very big, but it's very clean. I already went up to the window and in English asked them, showed them our tickets and asked where the train was on the platform, and the guy was very friendly, answered right away. But said, so our platform is right here, platform 1. We got here a little bit early. We have almost an hour to wait, 45 minutes. But all is good. Look, some cool monks sitting and waiting. Very cool. All right, well, we'll get back to you when we board. We're going first class, so we have a sleeper. It's like 12 hours or 11 hours or something like that from Ayutthaya to Chiang Mai. But you guys will get to see we'll give you a tour of the train itself, and the sleeper, and all that kind of stuff. So we'll be back to you when I get on the train. All right, so continuing, we just got on the train. This is the sleeper car. That's that end. There's my wife. And it goes down to this end there. There's some other people down there. We have someone at the side of us. So this is the room. Not big, but it's all we need. It's going to be comfortable, I believe. It's got a top bunk, a bottom bunk. We got our suitcase, our backpacks there now. We just got into the room, so we haven't organized anything. It has a little sink.
Mirror.
It has a mirror. It has 2 complimentary bottles of water.
A window.
It has a window, so it's not completely claustrophobic. It does have a rack up there to put a small suitcase or a backpack. We can put some of the other suitcases down underneath if we need to, or keep on the floor. Yeah, so that's
it.
So that is our room. Ta-da! Ta-da! So we're relaxing now in our sleeper on the train from Ayutthaya to Chiang Mai. How many hours is the?
11. I think we get there at 8:40 or 8.
Yeah, so it's like 11 hours on the train. Like I said, good thing is it's got a bunk on top. It's got a bed down here that we're sitting on, my beautiful wife. We have snacks. We have plenty of water. It's almost 9:30 at night here, which is why we want to take the night train and the sleeper in so that we could sleep most of the trip. And that's why we booked the private stateroom. Like I said, they're not big, but very clean. We'll let you know how the beds are when we wake up in the morning. But we're coming from a really exciting few days. We arrived in Bangkok and spent a couple of days there. We'll have some videos up about Bangkok if you look on our channel. And then we went down to a place called Elephant Stay in Ayutthaya, which was really cool. And they picked us up from our hotel in a van, took us all the way, door-to-door service, took us all the way to the Elephant Ranch, where we stayed. They have cabins there, really nice little cabins, air-conditioned and clean. And we stayed there for 2.5 days, 3 days, 2 nights, with the whole elephant experience, and got to see the elephant nursery and elephants swimming in the river and what they do on a daily basis, and vets coming out to check on the elephants. It was a really cool experience, so I recommend it highly. And then they took us, again, door-to-door service, in a van from the Elephant Ranch to the train station in Ayutthaya. So couldn't go wrong with that. We didn't have to get a taxi or tuk-tuk or anything, either way. So now we're on the train. going to Chiang Mai. I'll be back in the morning because I think we're getting ready to go. My lovely wife is already starting to lay down, and I'm getting ready to go up to the upper bunk and do the same thing. You know what they say, when the trains are rocking, don't come a knocking. We'll see you in Chiang Mai.
9 hours later.
Good morning. How'd you sleep, my love?
I slept pretty good, actually.
Me too. Remarkably, that rocking of the train and the click, 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 click sound of the train going along actually felt pretty nice. It was a little bit cold. I couldn't figure out how to turn on the AC and I didn't want to mess with it. But the blanket was alright. So yeah, I had a pretty decent night's sleep overall.
We'll show you what it looks like outside right now.
Yeah, let's take a look outside.
So this is our view from our room. We've gone through what I think are small little rainforests and also some little villages. It's just been really lovely. Now I'll take you to the back of this train compartment. There should be 2 places here, 2 restrooms to go to the bathroom. There's 2 toilets. This one has a shower. And actually, I'm not going to show you, but this toilet is pretty clogged up and unusable. I would lift the lid, but it's disgusting. This is the toilet I ended up having to use, and yes, I had to stand there and squat over the hole. Yes, so the first potty was pretty clogged up and disgusting. I had to use a second one, but oh well, I'll get over my trauma, my toilet trauma, but look at this view and how amazing is this whole overnight train.
All right, so I'm walking through second class on my way to the pie car or food car cafeteria area. And as you can see, there's not so much privacy. It's more for like a younger college backpacker crowd. Darlene and I want a little bit more privacy.
Thank you.
But it's adequate. I mean, everybody has a bunk, they could sleep, and then they get folded up into seats. And now I'm getting ready to enter the cafeteria area, the pie car. That looks really clean. People sitting down having some coffee, and that's what I'm hungry for now, is maybe a nice fresh cup of coffee or something. But oh yeah, there they are.
One coffee?
One coffee.
Please.
The young ladies are preparing breakfast for everybody. So I think I want to get a coffee and then head back to Darlene. Got a coffee and I'm heading back. As you can see, the stewards are starting to put all the beds back and place them into seats. We're starting to approach Chiang Mai pretty soon, I think.
2 beds or 1
Oh,
bed.
I made it back just in time to watch our room get put all back together.
I guess from what I understand, after this train drops us off in Chiang Mai, it turns back around and heads back south again. And those people aren't on an overnight, they're just on the day trip. So they don't need the beds, and that's why the stewards are putting all the beds away.
Wow.
Cup.
Here's another one of those beautiful little villages. The train tends to slow down when we're going through these little towns. I think we're getting really close to Chiang Mai. I believe we should be there fairly soon. We're in Chiang Mai! We're in Chiang Mai, baby!
Yep, we're in Chiang Mai.
Now we just gotta,
Figure out how to get to our hotel.
yeah, turn the camera around so you guys can see where we're at.
Overall, though, it was a really pleasant train ride. I enjoyed it thoroughly. The bathroom experience was one of a kind. Kind of like a Disney ride. So we'll check back in with you as soon as we get to our hotel. We'll give you guys a tour of our room, let you know what it's like.
I'm really glad we did this overnight train. It was definitely an experience, and I think anyone would enjoy it. Now we're off to find our hotel. Hopefully we can check in early, get freshened up, and enjoy the rest of our day. Look for all of our videos coming out every Wednesday. And thanks to our friends Lynn and David for coming along on this adventure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate you guys.